Never close your lips to those whom you have already opened your heart. Have a heart that never hardens, and a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another. The pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has many, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. I hope that real love and truth are stronger in the end than any evil or misfortune in the world. No one who can read ever looks at a book, even unopened on a shelf, like one who cannot. A loving heart is the truest wisdom. There is prodigious strength in sorrow and despair. Family not only need to consist of merely those whom we share blood, but also for those whom we'd give blood. A man is lucky if he is the first love of a woman. A woman is lucky if she is the last love of a man. No space of regret can make amends for one life's opportunity misused. The most important thing in life is to stop saying "I wish" and start saying "I will." Consider nothing impossible, then treat possibilities as probabilities.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The whole difference between construction and creation is exactly this, that a thing constructed can only be loved after it is constructed, but a thing created is loved before it exists. Death may beget life, but oppression can beget nothing other than itself. We forge the chains we wear in life. If there were no bad people, there would be no good lawyers. There are dark shadows on the earth, but its lights are stronger in the contrast. A very little key will open a very heavy door.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't regret missing life-changing advice from some of the greatest thinkers in history.